How to see non-followers on a Snapchat story. First of all, launch your Snapchat application on your device. Sign into your particular account and then you will land on this camera section of Snapchat. Tap on the Bitmoji icon or profile icon at top left corner of the screen. And then here you can easily find out my public profile. You have to select my public profile and then you will see different options like stories, spotlights and insight. So here directly you need to tap on insights and here you can easily see your public story that you have added and 28 days summary. On there you can see snap views, viewers, average story view time, total view time and many more. Here you can see your spotlight, profile and audiences. So you need to be aware that there is no any direct way to see non-followers on our Snapchat story. If there is any solution, then that is to install any third-party application and then to see the non-followers on Snapchat story. But from here 28 days summary, you can easily estimate who are the non-followers on a Snapchat story and see the non-followers on a Snapchat story. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.